try. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a cozy living room makeover. I'm going to share some cozy decorating ideas in my living room. I hope you enjoy.
Was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too
Guys, I recently picked up 4 of these beautiful plaid cushions from Target. They are so soft and cozy, and I knew they'd go perfect in my neutral living room.
for someone.
I was so excited to bring out my pumpkins, guys. I have waited so long to decorate with them, and I really want to go for a rustic glam feel this year. Now, on my French provincial benches either side of my fireplace, I'm going to add those Target cushions, as well as these chunky knit ones, which are from Spotlight. Now, at the bottom of my fireplace, I'm going to add this 3-tiered pumpkin stack. It is chunky knit, guys, and it's one of my favourite pumpkins that I picked up from TK Maxx last year. Now I'm going to start at the top of the mantle. I bought out a lot of my neutral pumpkins, and I'm going to start off with this little riser from Kmart, and I'm going to put the lighted pumpkin on the top.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments. I know it's nothing new.
Now to each end of the mantle I have these chunky knit pumpkins, and I just added a gold glitter leaf to each one.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just
Now in the corner of my sectional I'm going to add 2 more of those beautiful plaid cushions that are from Target. I'm also going to add this teddy fabric one, as well as this cute little white pumpkin.
just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends.
Now to each end of my sectional I add 3 groupings of cushions. I really love these chunky knit ones, guys, from Pottery Barn, and I love the combination of the colours. Now on my coffee table ottoman I wanted to make a really pretty rustic glam feel. I started first of all with this sheepskin rug that I added to the top.
It's just us two.
Now I'm going to add this rustic bowl, and inside I'm going to add these battery operated lights. I love them, guys. They are flickering lights and they're from Amazon, and they have a timer on them and all different levels. I then place these beautiful glam glitter gold pumpkins in the centre. around with the lights. Obviously I didn't have all the lights out, guys, but I just fiddled around with it until I got it right. I also added these two little white pumpkins. At the end of my sectional, I have this little rustic table, and I'm going to take off the existing decor and I'm going to add some pumpkins.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out,
Now at the opposite end of my sectional, I have this little milk can. I'm going to take off the existing decor as well, and I'm going to add this beautiful glam chic coffee table book that I just got from Kmart.
against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times,
Kmart bought out so many beautiful coffee table books this year, guys, at affordable prices. I was really drawn to this one because I really love that glam chic look.
found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I
Now on top of the book, I'm going to add this beautiful glam Z Gallery pumpkin that I picked up quite a few years ago. I'm also going to add this beautiful candle from Kmart.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way.
Now while I was going through my pumpkin stash, guys, I came across my leopard print ones, and I'm going to add one to each of the benches.
'Cause I found my way.
Now I also found my Stay Cozy cushion cover from Pottery Barn, and I'm going to put a new insert in it.
My way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
Now at the bottom of my mantle, I'm going to add this beautiful basket which is from Kmart, as well as the throw.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
Please, just tell me what's on your mind. 'Cause I don't have time to figure it out. Figure it out. We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go a separate
Now at my main dining table, I decided to change out the runner. I love this Give Thanks one that I picked up from Amazon a few years ago, and I'm going to place that in the centre.
We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down.
Now in the centre of the table, I'm going to add this beautiful rustic vase that I got from Pillow Talk. Inside I have some cream hydrangeas, and I'm going to add these beautiful rustic leaf stems that I picked up from 1825 Interiors.
Make you happy. And I know that you tried your best as well to make me smile.
And to each end of the runner, I'm going to add these beautiful velvet mauve pumpkins that are from TK Maxx.
And I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out.
Now in front of my arch mirror, I changed out a few of the vases for a more neutral tone.
And feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down. What's happening right now? I think we're falling down. 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 I think we're falling down.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Guys, I absolutely love pumpkin season. It's my favourite time of the year. I love bringing in cozy vibes as well as my sweet little pumpkins, and I think they give a cozy atmosphere to my home.
We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart.
As my overseas friends prepare for the fall season, they are getting ready to decorate cozy, and I wanted to share so many cozy videos with you throughout this season, right through to Halloween. I live in a very cold part of Australia where it's cold 9 months of the year, so my home is definitely always cozy. New to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decorating. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Leave me a comment down below if you love Rustic Glam as much as I do.
Cause you fear the night and days without eating, cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Guys, leave me a comment down below what room you would like me to decorate cozy next.
So you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your living room cozy. So until next time, my friends, I'll be back next week, Sunday morning at 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home.